go, my dear! Teka lang. Nag-set ako ng timer dito, dear. Ayan. So, this is going to be a very, very short na reading lamang, my dear. Okay, so let's go na tayo. My dear, ang gagawin natin today is collective reading. Ayan. So, mag-collective reading tayo, my dear. My dear Virgo. Ayan. So, I decided, my dear, nagagawa nila ako ng mga short na video, my dear. Kasi, according sa analytic, parang hindi naman tinatapos talaga. So, yung mga video na ginagawa ko. So, para, alam mo yon okay ang lahat, di ba? At least 5 minutes na lang tayo or 6 minutes na lang tayo. Actually, nag-set ako ng 6 minutes, okay? So, let's go tayo, dear. Kumusta naman po ang lahat? I hope and pray na nasa mabuti pong kalagayan ang lahat. And if just in case, my dear, gusto mo ka-private reading, nasa description box down below yung link ng ating Facebook page and WhatsApp number. Ayan yung ating WhatsApp number nasa description box down below yan, okay? PM is the key. Okay, let's go na tayo, dear. Collective reading tayo. Collective reading. Idadapa ako muna, dear, ha, para hindi ako ma-overwhelm. Mahaba pa naman yung oras natin. Okay, at least 5 minutes lang tayo. Okay na yung 5 minutes. Kasi according sa analytic ko, hindi naman tinatapos talaga yung mga video hanggang sa pinakadulo. So, sayang lang din. Sayang lang ang ating effort. So, sabi ng analytic, it's better na gumawa na lang daw ako ng mga short but meaningful videos. So, pagalitan pa ako. Napagalitan pa ako. Okay. So, let's go. Pagalitan tayo ni Bossing. Okay, let's go tayo dyan. We have here the energy of the magician, okay, free spirit, and ilang beses kanilang binalak na sirain pero hindi sila nagtagumpay. Okay, so this is a very, very nice, my dear, na card over here to the point na meron dito parang lumilipad na lalaki over here and the magician. I can feel na parang na-overcome mo yung isang challenges or isang obstacle, my dear, na ibinigay. Okay, there's a tendency na ibinigay to, my dear, ng ibang tao, my dear. They try to destroy you, pabagsakin ka, my dear, pero hindi sila nagtagumpay. So, very, very nice, my dear, itong first row ng energy natin over here. We have here the Page of Sword, ayan, and pinag-uusapan ka, nahihiwagaan sila sa'yo. Okay, of course, Virgo is always, you know, alam mo yun, glamorous, okay? So, parang, ayan, makikita mo dito, ang ganda, oh. Probably that's you, di ba? Ganda, okay? So, nahihiwagaan sila sa'yo. My dear, ang Page of Swords is energy of stalking, okay? So, baka may mga tao na nag-i-stalk sa'yo, my dear, nahihiwagaan sila, okay? And, nagtataka sila, how did you make it? We have here the energy of the Temperance, okay? And, fake smile. Okay, so may mga people, my dear, around you that they are faking. Okay, mga fake talaga to, my dear. Ayan, posibleng kinakausap ka, lumalapit sa'yo, okay? Pero they are fake. Hindi sila totoo, my dear. Mga fake ba yung mga person na yan, my dear? And they are wondering kung paano ka nakasurvive. Okay, posibleng may mga curses, may mga evil eye, may mga negative prayers, may mga dasal na hindi maganda pero hindi nag-work, my dear. Pinag-uusapan ka, nahihiwagaan sila sa'yo, okay? Kung paano mo na-overcome to, bakit hindi nag-work yung kanilang mga ginagawang mga prayers, mga ginagawa nila para bumagsak ka, okay? You have your fake smile. So may mga people, my dear, that they are faking, okay? Fake people. We have here the Two of Pentacles and Separation card. Red flag cheater, okay? So there's a tendency, my dear, also na okay, be careful, my dear, ha? Baka sinisira nila yung relasyon mo, okay? They are doing something to destroy your relationship, okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dito. Parang gumagawa siguro sila ng mga kwento. Make sure mo lang, my dear Virgo, na merong proper evidence, okay? Just in case maka-receive ka ng message over here na nagsasabi sa'yo, my dear, na ang partner mo sa cheater or something like that, o sinisiraan kanila behind your back, something is always better, my dear, na magkaroon ka ng evidence, lalo-lalo na, my dear, sa loob ng relationship. Kasi may mga tao dito, my dear, na tanging ang intention lamang ay sirain ka at pabagsakin ka. Okay? So, yun, my dear Virgo, yes! Maraming salamat po, my dear. Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating reading, don't forget, my dear, na mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. And free to like, free to share, free to comment sa lahat po ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po, and until next time, bye-bye! Thank you, my dear!